Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ginger beige ambitex interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with surround view backup camera with sensors in the front and rear, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 27,507 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.